Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to notarize a sworn statement for a family gift of a used vehicle in Ontario. So this is helpful if a used vehicle is being given as a family gift and the form needs to be properly sworn before it can be used for the transfer. So the main goal here is to make sure that the statement is filled out clearly and signed the right way. So first, go and get the sworn statement for a family gift of a used vehicle in the province of Ontario form. So once you have it, start by filling in the basic details at the top. So this section asks for the recipient's name and location, and then the donor's name and location. So make sure the names, city and county or regional municipality details are written clearly. So after that, move down to the part where the statement begins. So in the vehicle section, enter the year, make, and model of the used vehicle, then add the vehicle identification number. So this part needs to match the vehicle information exactly. So it is really important to check it before moving on. So next, fill in the relationship between the donor and the recipient. The form gives examples like parent, spouse, grandparent, child, brother, or sister. So this line should show how the donor is related to the person receiving the vehicle. Then complete the section that says when the vehicle was acquired as a gift, including the name of the owner or recipient, the donor's name, and the date. So when the form is filled out, do not treat it like a regular paper that can just be signed anywhere. This is a sworn statement, so it needs to be signed before a person who is allowed to take oaths. And on the form, it shows that this may be a lawyer, notary public, justice of peace, local municipal or town clerk, deputy clerk, treasurer, head of municipal council, reeve or deputy reeve, or another person authorized by the lieutenant governor to administer oaths and affidavits. So once both sides are ready, the donor and the recipient need to appear before that authorized person. Then the button part of the form is completed, including the city, county or regional municipality, and the date. So after that, the recipient signs, the donor signs, and the commissioner or authorized official completes their part to confirm the statement was sworn before them. And before finishing it, take one last look at everything on the form. Make sure the names, vehicle details, relationships, and dates are correct. And the form also includes a warning about false or deceptive statements, so all information should be true and accurate before anyone signs it. So that is it. Once the sworn statement has been properly completed and notarized or commissioned, it can be used as part of the family gift vehicle transfer process in Ontario. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.